So I'll show up around 15-20 minutes early, turn on my machine, make sure that I'm running the warm-up program, because that takes about 20 minutes. Figure out what job I'm doing, or if I was already working on one the previous day, grab the traveler for that, go clock in. And then after that, it's pretty much just getting through all the different jobs I'll probably have laid out for the day. As a machinist, like 30%, 40% of my day is programming, while also at the same time running the machines. A lot of multitasking, so I could have 1 or 2 machines running while at the same time programming the next job or two. I think if someone wants to get a career as a machinist, you need to be very self-motivated and willing to learn from others and take feedback. Time management, multitasking skills is a big plus. Computer skills is definitely a benefit to have. When I first started at Con-Vey, I didn't know much. Now I've worked manual side of manual lathe and manual mill. Now into the CNC department where I'm learning feature cam. Now I'm in the apprenticeship program where I'm taking classes to further in my education of how to create parts. For me to start feeling confident as like a CNC programmer operator, probably a good 6 months. If like a fabricator comes over here and has a question about, hey, I can't find this tap, or what size tap is this? We're not going to tell them, go away, we don't help fabricators, we help them. We want to get that job done just as much as they do. You can just come in here with no experience and you will be taught. Everyone here wants to help you succeed. And it's really on you to succeed and take that training. And even though you apply to be a machinist, you could end up being like, I kind of don't like that, I want to go do welding. They're very open to letting you. There's been people here who came in as one thing and now they're something else. So Con-Vey is really open to letting you test the waters and things and actually find your home.